If you've been wanting to try the best taco recipe, then this is the perfect one for you. This is my spicy chicken tacos recipe, and it's something you love to try. Into a pan on fire, just go in with your chicken breast. You can use chicken thigh, just cut them into pieces, add your seasonings, add some vegetable oil, bring everything to a good mix like this, and you just allow this to steam on low to medium heat, and do that, and then make sure you stir alternatively to prevent it from burning. This is just going to help it to produce its own juice, because we want the chicken to cook in its own juice, just like this. Now that we've achieved this, let's go in with our vegetables of choice, and then you want to mix this. I use some carrots, some tomato, green bell peppers, and onions. What I want to do here is to ensure that I everything just incorporates very well, and I have all the flavors put together. You can add some dark soy sauce as well. And now let's grab our taco wrap like this, and then we want to toast it a little in the pan and introduce your cheese. Now you want to go in with your beef or your chicken from earlier, and this is what we have here. And to make the sauce, let me know in the comments if you want to know how to make the sauce, and I'll be glad to take you through. However, I'll have the ingredients for the sauce, which will be linked or which will be listed in the description. And if this is something you love to try, then you should check out the ingredients in the description, since they are going to help you to make the perfect tacos. So you just put it in and flip it over like this until it browns on both sides. Do not overdo it, unless of course you want it to brown very well. And as you can see, I'm repeating the same procedure right here, and I'll just follow through just from earlier. Hi, and welcome back again to my channel. If today is your first time, you are welcome, and do not forget to like this video. Also subscribe if you haven't done that yet, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your thoughts are always so welcome, and if you have any recipe you would want us to try, just put that in the comment, and I'll be glad to share that recipe with you as well. Now here is our final look, and our chicken tacos is just ready. I hope that you love this video, and if you want to enjoy amazing content like this, then you should click on the video right at the top, and you enjoy the rest of the video. I will see you on the next one. Until then, stay safe and bye.